Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Leonardo Guardado.
And I'm Darius Fiddler. Welcome to Wolf TV. Here's the news for Friday, October 14th.
We hope you all had a great time at homecoming last Saturday.
Yep, and if you were at the homecoming game, you know it was one to remember with a big 35-28 win over Mountain Range. Now let's take a look at all the fun from last week.
Hi, can I speak with your athletic director, please?
I'm sorry, he's not available right now. Can I take a message?
Will you give him this message? I just want you to know that Westminster runs this town.
check in with our sports reporter to see everything that's going on today and tomorrow for sports.
Thanks, I'm Laura Dominguez and here's the Westy Sports Report. Today, the Wolves football team takes on Doherty on our very own Wolfpack Memorial Field. Kickoff is at 6 p.m. Come out and cheer on your Wolves. Then on Saturday, the JV team heads to Doherty for an away game. Kickoff is at 11 a.m. and we wish the team the best of luck. Go get 'em, Wolves. That's it for sports. I'm Laura Dominguez. Now back to you guys.
All right, Wolves Trinity is back again with a brand new How Clean Is Your Car?
I'm your host, Trinity Castaneda, and this is How Clean Is Your Car? And this is
Miss De La Cruz.
Okay, so how clean is your car?
I think it's clean right now.
Let's give that a check. Okay, let's open up this door first. Okay, so we got a bag from the Ark, some sparkly Crocs.
It was homecoming this weekend. You never know what kind of Crocs we need.
Then there's also air fresheners. Okay, pretty clean.
Decent.
Not that bad.
Hidden chips on the side.
You open your trunk.
Don't let anything bite you.
Whoa, whoa, okay, so we got some Tupperware, a
I
rock.
can explain it all. Homecoming stuff, just in case somebody was hungry. My cleaning supplies, my rollerblades. We have china from a birthday party we had a couple weeks ago. I haven't taken it out. Oh, do you guys want some water? Again, Future Center. Oh, look at that! Look at me there!
Oh, Miguel's in there.
You never know.
I give this car a rating of 8 out of 10. Looks like there's a couple homeless men living in there. Possibly. Are there?
Oh, what if they're women?
There's homeless women in the trunk. Theory confirmed.
Next week start on Tuesday and continue through Thursday. It's Colorado FIP and New York Free Application Day. Colorado Free Application are for students and family who want to save money on college application. You can start the process at cdse.com. Don't miss this opportunity to apply to college for free. Visit the Field Center if you need help with the application process.
Hi, I'm Adriana Santillan.
And I'm Hector Guerrero.
We are members of the HOSA chapter here at Westy.
We want to encourage you to sign up to donate at the Vitalent Blood Drive on Friday, October 21st.
That's right, sign up using the QR code on your screen or the ones posted around the school.
You can also stop by B301, 302, or 303 to pick up permission slips and information from any of the biomedical sciences teachers.
The blood drive will be held in the wrestling room on the second floor in the gym from 9 a.m. to 12:45 p.m.
In order to donate, you must weigh 110 pounds or more and be at least 16 years of age with parent permission.
If you are taking antibiotics, Accutane, Proscar, or Propecia, you are not allowed to donate.
By donating, you could save 1 or more lives right here in Colorado or across the country.
Sign up today and we will see you Friday, October 21st at the Vitalent Blood Drive.
This week, some of our fall sports play their final games of the regular season. We would like to congratulate you all on a great season and thank you for your hard work and dedication. We can't wait to see you next season. Now here's your coming events billboard for the remaining sports happening next week.
And that's it for today's Wolf TV. Thanks for watching. I'm Leonardo Guardo.
And I'm Darren Fiddler. Remember, next Wednesday is an early release day. We hope you have a great day. We will see you next time.